Yo, what's up, guys? I'm gonna do my day trading recap. Today's Monday, December 16th. So we had a one and done day on AMRN. I traded a 5 minute orb, and what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to figure out a system that I can stick with and only trade one setup, and basically eliminate all the other unnecessary shit that goes on in trading, right? So if you're trying to figure out, what stocks to trade and what to trade and how to trade them, it makes trading very difficult. Let's be honest here. Trading is fucking difficult. And if anyone tells you it's easy, they're fucking lying. Okay. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to do 5 minute orbs. I'm trying to go 2 to 1 all or nothing, or take a quarter off at a 1.5 R, set my stop at break even, and get all out at 2 R. And in that case, if I take some off at 1.5 R, it's no longer a loser. If I get all out at 2R, it becomes a 1.85 R winner on the day, which is amazing, right? So I'm trying to go 2R, or pretty much all or nothing, and only take orbs. And I want to do a sample size of 30 trades. So, and I want to see, what my accuracy is, what my returns are going to be, what my R to R returns are going to be. And if I can figure out this systematic approach and it works, I'm going to stick with it. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. And by only taking 2 trades and only doing orbs, I'm going to know the outcomes of the day, right? We'll know all outcomes. You're either going to have two losers, which is going to equate to negative 2R. You can have a one loser, or one winner, which will equate to plus 1R. You can have two winners, right? And you'll be up 4 hours on the day. So it makes trading, being able to, analytically take down, is it working or is it not? It's going to make it a lot easier. And yeah, I'm going to stick with this. So um, yeah, without further ado, let's get into that AMRN trade for that 5 minute opening range breakdown. And yeah, we'll get to it. So as you can see, we had this pre-market level here. It was around 24.73. I also saw on the daily chart here, I wanted to see where was this breakout, right? So we're seeing this breakout here. You can zoom all the way out, right? These were the highs. It broke out of this level here. So if it cracked that breakout level, it's probably going to sell off, right? So this had an FDA approval on a fish oil drug. And as you can see, this thing had a nice little ramp up leading up to the news. So this is a classic buy the rumor. News comes out, it's approved, sell the news, right? Look at that above average volume there, and the day's not even done yet. So um, this level here I was watching, this is the level of 24.67. If it cracks that, it was probably gonna flush. Why? Because this is where a lot of people were getting long on a breakout. And as you can see here, right when it got to that 24, I got in pretty early, but as you can see, this thing printed a beautiful 5 minute orb, right? Beautiful candle. Look at this nice topping tail. It pulled back. I went short, set my stop right at the top of that wick on the 5 minute chart, on the 1 minute chart right here. And instantly, the next candle, it literally just flushed and filled my 2 to 1. So within a minute, I got filled 2 to 1, all or nothing. And it's a great trade. Did this thing continue to go down? Yes, absolutely. But at the end of the day, this is what I'm trying to learn here is once you make your day your goal on the day, there's really no point of trading. Sure, this came down, but we don't know what's going to happen, right? We never do. So my goal is not to be greedy, not to be fearful, somewhere in between. And that's I feel like that what sets that apart is following your rules and having a system in place. So yeah, I'm gonna stick with this, and hopefully my results will help. It'll definitely help me. Let me know, if is this working, is this not, and how to go about my trades. But I also feel like this is gonna help a lot of traders out there as well, who are trying to figure out their system, because trading is very difficult, man. And if there's any way that we can make it easier by following systematic rules, it just eliminates a lot of the thought process that goes into trading and makes it a little bit more mechanical. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom. Other than that, I hope everyone had a great trading day.